everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourselves. Isn't? Okay. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids by the Cap. And in the last class, what we have studied, do you remember? We have studied about animals only, but which animals we have studied? About farm animals. Yes, about farm animals. And today I will tell you about wild animals. We will study about wild animals today. Okay, are you all ready? So let's start today's class. Okay, so tell me, what are wild animals? Wild animals क्या होते हैं? कौन से होते हैं? And वो कहाँ रहते हैं? Do you know that? Yes, wild animals are wild and they live in the jungle. Okay, they live in the jungle. Okay, हम उन्हें अपने घर में नहीं रख सकते हैं. Okay, and हम अपने फार्म में भी नहीं रख सकते हैं उन्हें. So they live in the jungle. Okay, and वो कौन-कौन से होते हैं? Let's study that. First is the monkey. First is the monkey. Can you keep monkey at your home? No. Monkey हम अपने घर में नहीं रख सकते हैं. Okay. And then is fox. This is fox. Fox is very clever. Do you know? Fox is a very clever animal. So fox also lives in the jungle. Okay. Next is tiger. Next is tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. Yes, tiger is the national animal of India. Okay. And tiger भी कहाँ रहता है? Jungle में. Next is giraffe. Next is giraffe. Giraffe has the longest neck. Yes, giraffe has the longest neck. Giraffe की neck सबसे long होती है. Next is bear. Next is bear. And bear is in brown in color. Okay. Next is deer. This is deer. Then it's elephant. It's elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal on earth. Yes, elephant is the biggest animal on the earth. Okay. Next is zebra. Next is zebra. And zebra is in black and white in color. Zebra is in black and white in color. You can see here like this. Yes, it's in black and white in color. It has black and white stripes on it. ठीक है, उसकी body पे black and white color की stripes होती हैं. Okay, this is zebra. So all these animals ये कहाँ रहते हैं? They live in the jungle. That's why they are called wild animals. Okay, they're called wild animals. And इनको किसी की भी help की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. Okay, they don't need any help from people. They can live on their own. वो अपने आप रह सकते हैं. ठीक है, वो अपना food भी खुद ढूंढते हैं, अपना घर भी खुद ही बनाते हैं. ठीक है, they find their own food at their own and they find their own home in the jungle or wherever they want. Okay, all these are wild animals. And animals are very, very sensitive. So if we will hurt them, they will hurt us back. अगर हम उन्हें hurt करेंगे तो वो भी हमें hurt करेंगे, right? So we should not hurt any animals. हमें किसी भी animals को hurt नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay? We should be very, very kind to all the animals. हमें सब animals के साथ बहुत ही kindness के साथ show करना चाहिए. Kindness show करनी चाहिए. Okay? So don't forget this and please read all the wild animals and learn their names. So we should be kind to all the animals. Okay? Now next is our activity. Look here everyone. Identify and match the same animals. So you have to look at these animals and match with the same animals. This is very easy activity and you all can do it on your own. So quickly grab your pencils and start this activity. See the first one? First is the lion. First is the lion. So, where is the lion here? Over here at the last. So, we will match this with the lion like this. Okay, very good. Next is deer. Next is deer. Now, where is the deer here? Over here. So, we will go like this and match it. Next is the tiger. Tiger is on the top. We'll go up like this. Next is zebra. Zebra is on the second. We'll match it with the zebra. And last one is elephant. Elephant is on the third one. So we will match it with the elephant like this. And it's done. Okay. So you will practice these animals and learn their names. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.